Okay guys, another beautiful day here in southwest Malaysia. This is my first day back after having a long weekend in Thailand. And it's raining quite heavily for a long time. Let's see how this works. Come on, pick your side. What a beautiful day, huh? I'm getting tired of monsoon. Really tired of monsoon season. Much longer here than in Thailand. The rain stops in Thailand in maybe October. It don't stop here till the end of January sometimes. So. Not as bad as I expected actually. There's some water. Not a good day to own a little truck or a little car, man. Find some food. All I've had to eat today is one ham and cheese sandwich. I've been going for about maybe 14 hours now. 13 hours for sure. Look at this guy. Go on your own side of the road. We paint those lines there for a reason. This do not look good. Jeez. I think those guys on the motorbikes up there are a little bit wet. Not a good day to ride a motorbike. Bunch of guys hiding out under the bridge there. That's pretty common. Find a dry spot and wait it out. Although I don't think this rainstorm is going away as quick as they normally do. of flooding in Malaysia right now. This is not. Oh, that's flooded there. This is not good. Whoa, holy shit! Did you see that? Whoa, that car and then the motorbike look like boats on the other lane. Wow. There's a lot of flooding in Malaysia, even in some parts around here, but mostly in the north on the east coast. So this is not helping matters. And just flying over the country today, you can see the ocean along the coast is brown. There's normally nice blue water around here. All of the runoff. All the runoff from the floods, from all the rain, taking all the clay, all the silt in the water. You can even see it from the plane, it looks brown. Now the last time when I couldn't get home there, just a couple months ago, because the road was blocked, it was here that the problem was. They've been in here digging non-stop since then. They're actually making a new bridge. Yeah, that creek is higher than normal, but not a big deal. But yeah, there's hundreds of thousands of people that's been flooded out. Massive amounts of donations I think it was last weekend. That's one thing about Asia. Same thing in Thailand when there's a problem. People come out and give what they can to help people in need. You know, it's really good. Not that the rest of the world don't do that, but. So nice to see. It's not raining so hard now anyway, but oh, shouldn't have said nothing. Beautiful day for a drive home. Man, oh man, oh man. I think that's it, guys. I'm going off a different way tonight than I normally go home. Gotta go by and find some food. And it would be really awesome if I made this light. And now it would be really awesome if I made this light. I could play this game all day. As long as it stay green. I'm going to Subway. Get me a Subway sandwich. I had one here once before and it was disgusting. today I'm gonna try the vegetarian one. Whatever it is, processed meats in Malaysia is really, really bad. Alright guys, talk to you later.